Chroma Kirail's kitchen. Bring out the best in the kitchen.
Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a delicious bean stew. Kenken bean stew. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Let's go. This is the ingredient that I'll be using for today. Our star ingredient, that is the beans. I'll have fresh fish. I have stinking fish. I'll be using stinking fish that is called mamone. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna leave the recipe, every ingredient I'll be using in this recipe, in the description with his measurement. So please check it out. Check it out. Let's begin. Let the party begin. Let us go. I'm gonna start off with my fish, my fresh fish. I'm gonna steam it with salt cube and chopped onion for 3 minutes. Listen, and I'm turning it around. About 2 minutes time, I turn it around for the other side to steam too. Made me pine me stove on the so and me heating on for a while. Now me oil no egum. And then probably use palm oil for beef stew, but for the sake of this recipe, me use oil for it. With the oil, so you I come up to me up me the more oil no come. I shaka made me sausage no. Yes, me sausage no in the common. Me person me cheek and my brown kaka, not that deep brown but light brown. She said, yeah, it's just look at how beautiful it looks. That's how I want it. So I'm not really me. I will take it out with the oil and let it rest. The momoneno etum, that is my stinking fish. Momoni the oba bean stew, no momoni nima, and yet you have if you're making bean stew without stinking fish, please, you're not enjoying it. You need to add it. And no the money yet a real man a man I come up empty made my momoni betum na machine for 1 minute. Chino from 1 minute, net scent and anything in every room. And I weigh me gin, me muko, me garlic, ginger, and a rosemary, my blending, and I'm the common. And I'm the woman, and so made a day, met cheer my match in sooning in a day, a free moon. To be funny, to me, she done so bare 5 minutes. Now much we cooking is step by step, so you don't need to miss any step. And I made chino for 3 minutes. Menum. Sana anshi uja isi swa ayana uja nedi unhamona ababashi. So yeah, make sure so benum wasa kakasu kama wasa manachi for some 2 minutes biya kaho nensu absorbing so nini na free ti baby are doing the absorbing so be any a chick kama ti baby are doing me tomato paste really big nimra so say the become tomato paste in the become come so just look at it. Me no kama sana nini na ayede na combine de kama nko so unum na bibia is up very well. You am the shock akabe kan you on tomato paste na mood or a take into or the sugar kuman and a mamuna sunny night me a day at she nsuo no so memfa bebree kakraa bi wonfa bebree kakraa bi na de gum na wayɛ de wanum wostale ne apple na wayɛ de wakata so kama na watch for some 2 minutes bi 2 minutes time no na masa bi so no mempese ebe shinti me bi so me se num kakra nso masa kata so for avoiding the fact that ebe she which I say so sana ebe she so also 2 minutes time bi anu bi so num kakra ansa why the wasa kata so me 5 minutes na so nti had me babe numa me wia na me de me toast. That is my fresh tomatoes no. I'm the gum. On a sunny mass so also a copot name. And I'm the gum. This is my fresh tomatoes. I'm adding my fresh tomatoes to it. The gum na menum kaka or semi num na bibia stirring up. Bibia come. And namna me stimu and then I'm mash me yin can say be a frame for the sake of the case. I won't cry. You can say ni na me yin in air frame the mamma machine come. I'm a name and then I'm the gumon and non age say him no area baby and num come na kata so for 1 minute. I'm a little person on my head and I'm staring up. Me green pepper no aka ho. Murder say the green pepper ni be room na the taste in the room tea. Nam de aka ho na me stirring it up. Come on. So we are no why de wakata so. Akata so kakra. Wakata so for some minutes, even so 1 minute. Now I there was a siena kakasana and she and the pa no mukakana and she. Imre do she the spices become. That is the time for us to add our spices and spices need use curry powder, nutmeg, and Maggi cube. Now we use onga season, that is onga stew kakrasu. So I will leave the measurement on my description. In this moment I just added my sausage. The sausage naka Jenny the ready makata so kakra on low heat. I check a crack home. Na my de masen no money de ho hia no mu no sana wan no, but don't overstir it. We are almost done. Look at our star ingredient, that is the bees. Bees no man no one man I am na me de account na me de account. Just look at that. Just look at it. Oh, today is called enjoyment. I'm just gonna enjoy that. Just stir it. No, because baby as you in the when the mistake a patient in one no kakra na sunny aside akataso. Remember na so for 3 minutes on low heat. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. Our bean stew is ready. It is ready. After 3 minutes, the bean stew is done. We are done with it. Now the aroma is great. Oh, this is going to be very delicious. Every dress we may know me the soonest so. And so me use 3 cups and half. 3.5 cups na me use we. And rice na so me know 3 cups. And I'm the salt. A good soon tea in so near It's not my mail home mono. Say na mail home mono. Mail home home a money now who be come. I'm the cocoa in soon. Come. Oh, hormone who say Emma. Starch nini na coming out. And I'm a Phoebe as one finish about. Take me the cocoa. Swanning na. Come. Emona, I am ready. Minuan low heat for 20 minutes. Just look at our rice. It is ready. And this is our beef stew that we decorated. We set it aside. The kind of beef stew no honachi say. Just look at. I'm tasting it all. Please come and help. It is delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already, and leave a thumbs up, share this, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this channel today, and God bless you. I love you.